So just on the way to Aix-les-Thermes. Oh, it's fantastic. And then from Aix-les-Thermes over into Andorra, La Veille, the town of Andorra, over Pas de la Casa, de las Casas, where I went when I was, 1998, so however long that is ago, 26 years ago, a 24-year-old gentleman riding my bicycle with my chum Colin over Pas de las Casas. So I'm going to try it this time on the motorbike. Should be a little bit easier and a lot faster. Spain now. Went through Andorra. Not a lot to write home about really with Andorra. Maybe a mistake going through there, and I should have gone through a different route. I mean, I've nothing against Andorrans. I'm sure they're a lovely lot. Nothing against them. But it was a bit boring. It was mountainous, but it was urban, you know. It was very built up and not really what I wanted. But anyway, I've crossed over into Spain now, and yeah, it's looking very nice here. So about an hour and a half, an hour and 3/4 to Senterada, where I'm going to be spending the night.